Hey guys, here's another one of Traxxas E-revo first edition, not the 2.0. But as you can see, the A-arm is Traxxas E-revo 2.0. So you want to see the difference. Basically, there are like two holes in the new one, whereas the old one just has one hole. Other than that, if I line this up straight with it, as you can see, I can basically replace it. The only difference is the way it's made. It will make the tire from a little backwards. That means this is basically the rear differential housing, and so yeah, so that means the difference between the front tire and the back tire will increase. I don't see any reason why you can't change this. I will in future definitely do this, but I'm just waiting for one of these pins which was lost in my shipment, which was supposed to be in the drive shaft of the new 2.0, which is supposed to be exactly something similar to this. So I'm just waiting for the part to come so that I can just replace the A-arms, the drive shaft, the 17mm hex, which will be the new ones. So I'm gonna see how that will all fit. Also, if you guys are wondering what I'm talking about, so you can see these are the new 2.0 drive shafts. The one I'm talking about, the pin, is the one that goes in the center. That is misplaced. So let's see if it can fit basically they won't fit. So I need to get the 2.0 version, and let's see if they can fit. I'm not sure how I'm gonna get this fit, but let's see, man. I mean, I'm gonna order it again, and these cups, and then try to get this fit. So it's okay if it's lost for the moment. Let's see if this can fit. The pen can fit in these drive shafts. Okay, so as I was saying, the old drive shaft, the standard drive shaft, the part is almost the same, but the size is completely different. They've done their homework, so you don't get to use the old car with the new parts. As you can see right here, let me show you. This pin is too small to fit in here. The size difference is huge. So yeah, let's see, I'll have to order another one of these pins that can fit in to the new drive shaft. So be careful when you're ordering, and make sure the shipper knows that they should pack it really well. Usually when they ship in these kind of Ziplocs, and they're full of holes. So if customs, especially for international, if customs open it, these are small parts, they wouldn't even know they missed something, and you won't get it. Okay, so yeah, I got the new diff in, and this is not the E-revo brushless, it's Revo diff, or I think what was it, Slash or something. Basically they're the same as the Erevo, but some people say it insides are a little weak. We'll have to see. So I got the old diff out. I'll be checking it out, what's wrong with it. I don't see anything different, but maybe the fluid is gone. But there was some issues, so I just decided to open it, clean it a bit. Can't really clean it that much either, because this thing hasn't been open since forever. Now I know why Traxxas gets so much beef online, because they've made something really good, but it's just freaking hard to work on. I mean, I wouldn't want to open this again. It's just so much work. Why couldn't they have made like a simple design? You have to open up the whole thing just to take this diff out. And speaking of, you know, opening up the whole thing, this is the, I got another center diff for Erevo, and this is the old one. You know what? You look at this. I had to cut this open. The damn this thing got stuck in it, and basically it just won't come out, and I had to cut this out. So talking about, yeah, why do they make it so freaking, you know, difficult? So yeah, well, alright, so this was it. I'll post some videos if I open it ever again, or if there are other issues that you can come up with in future. But I would suggest you go with these. I've heard that the plastic ones just won't last, and I can understand why. I'm trying to get the cups for the new 2.0. Let's see if they can fit in these diffs. I'm sure they've done something that they won't, but let's see, I'll see. Okay, so my center diff was finished. So here is a center diff that comes with it originally, and if that happens, you get the Traxxas part number 5614, which is differential kit center, and I'll just put that in. So let's see how it performs. What else? The rest, everything is done. Just take out your bearings and kind of glue them up. Use this, and let's see. Alright guys, one more thing. These are the old Erevo. Actually these are new, but they came with the silver, which are these springs, and they're pretty flush. As you can see, I can just like do this, it's not too much. And if you see the blue ones, they're thicker than these. These springs are thicker and they're more stiff. You have to apply a lot of pressure. So as you know, I'm doing a Warza project as well, and I've been having issues with the front shocks. They're very plush. They go down and up a lot, so in speed runs it'll be too much of an issue. I'm gonna put these on Warza and let's see what happens. So I mean, like these kind of videos and this kind of information isn't available online that much. You really have to search for the threads and go online and waste a lot of time. So I'm just posting these so that you guys could have an idea. If you guys are looking for these springs, silver are a lot softer. If you want a lot of movement in your Erevo, I guess these are it. And for the blue ones, it's very stiff. So I'm gonna use these in the Warza and let's see what happens. Alright, finally finished. Let's test it out on 2S.